Okay, welcome to today's webinar, everyone. That's nice to see you, everyone here today. Okay, I will still wait for a while while people, hopefully still people streaming in. I'm going to tell you more about what we do, but before we do that, let me issue a poll. Okay, and let us know, is your first time attending our webinar? Yes, no, come on, everybody. That's great. Oh, we have quite a number of first timers here. So let me just tell you more about what we do here. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for a very specific currency for each day. Monday we'll have Aussie and New Zealand, Tuesday Euro, Wednesday the pound, Thursday yen and gold, lastly Friday Canadian dollar and the Bitcoin. So today it's a Monday, so Jin will be talking about the Aussie and New Zealand dollar. This webinar is going to be very beneficial to long-term investors or short-term traders like us. During this session, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlights potential targets, and risks as well. A disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation, but it's just solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. For those who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many, many years now, first as a student and now as a business partner in Forex Briefcase. Okay, Jin runs LCMS traders and Forex Briefcase as a trading coach and $1 million trader, where Jin trades an AUM of more than $9 million US on a daily basis. What this means is, as he trades, he's also invited to speak on many stages globally. In fact, one of the reasons you might be here is because you might have seen him present on an event or attend one of his courses previously. So before I pass over to Jin, let me just do another poll. Okay, and how did you get here? How do you get to know this webinar from? Just let me know so that we can further improve ourselves. LCM, we have people from LCMS traders, Traders Club member, Telegram channels, welcome, Facebook Live as well. So again, if you have any friends or families that do trade Forex, do invite them to this 11 a.m. currency call. Is going to be very beneficial for them, especially on the preparation for trading for the rest of the day. So, okay, it's great. So without that, let me hand over to Jin. Jin, all yours.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just having fun on the Zoom chat here, just pinging everyone, saying hi to everyone. I've got some reaction. Louis just gave a smile and just replied. Not everyone's replying to me, so it's terrible. All right, it's a Monday. Let's get started. Can you give me some kind of reaction so that I know you're here and ready to go? Come on, anybody, somebody, everybody. Good stuff. All right. So it's been quite a long week. We've been in the office since over the weekend as well. So it is a good week to start. We are talking about Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar today, going through different currency pairs throughout the week. We are also live on Facebook, Forex Trading Asia. So if you get the chance, jump onto Forex Trading Asia, click like, click share, comment. If you are watching us on Forex Trading Asia, I think the link is going to be up there as well. Come join us on the Zoom call, maybe on the next few days, so that you get to put all your questions into the chat as well. With that said, I do note that quite a handful of you are new first timers at this call, so welcome first timers. I hope you see you more often. Everyone who is not a first timer, give them a round of applause. Clap. Do something, tell them, make sure they come back next time. Okay, so with that said, I'm just making you all do funny things today. Okay, with that said, let's get started. Most importantly, I think I know why there are a lot of first timers joining right now, is to find out more about the 4-day course. Okay, so on Friday last week, we just hit our 100th currency course special. So we're doing this 4-day program. The link is going to go up in the chat. 4-day course.lcms.com.sg. The link is going up. It's a 4-day teaching you how to trade, how I look at the markets, how I strategize, how I read the price movements, how I look for different support resistance levels. The team is there. Those are, all what we do. We have taught a lot of people recently as well, and over the years, I'll be teaching you the exact 5 steps. The exact 5 steps of how to look at news, look at trend, determine your support resistance, look at the indicators, and how not to get caught out with surprises in the markets. Okay, when I talk about indicators, I have created a lot of different indicators, some which gets you into a trade earlier, some that prevents you from getting out of a trade late. All those kind of things I will give to you. It will be yours to download, to install. You don't have to, no subscriptions, no nothing. It's one time you have it. If you lose it, you message us or you email us, we'll send it out to you again. So it's all there for you, fully online, live streaming. Okay, so it's not a recording. I'm not sending you a YouTube link that you can watch. It's going to be fully online, live streaming, so we can ask questions, address your questions, accommodate, adjust, repeat to what you need. Okay, so it's all there. Go through that, what you will learn, I know you have all scrolled way past that. You don't care about all that kind of stuff. You have just scrolled down to this price at $4,000. It is not $4,000. It is our 100th currency course special. So it's going for $0, 100% free. Okay, 100% free. 4 days, 22nd of September, 24th of September, 29th, and the 1st of October. From 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, that's GMT plus 8. Anywhere in the world you can join, because all you need is a computer and internet connection, and it's free. Okay, so how to get it free? Go down, click sign up, fill in your details, and then enter the coupon code that Jinwei is going to put up right now on the Zoom chat. If you're not following us on the Zoom chat, you will not get a coupon code. Jump onto the Zoom call to get a coupon code to get this course 100% free. Okay, I know that there are a few of you who are not on it right now. Those of you who are not on it, well, make sure you join. Unless you want to pay me $4,000, make sure you join now for free. Okay, with that said, let's look at the markets. All right, so Forex Factory here. Today, you can see not a lot of news happening. We had some retail sales number coming out from New Zealand early this morning. Was minus 1.2%, expected minus 16, came out at minus 14. So it was still relatively good news, but still bad as well, because it's still a minus 14.6%. Okay. Nothing else happening on Monday. Tuesday, again, not that much happening. No big hit. No, there's a few news, but nothing too heavy hitting, nothing too big impact. Wednesday, we have some US durable goods orders. But what I want you to pay attention to is what's going to be happening on Friday. It's a Jackson Hole Symposium. Okay. And also the Fed Chair speaking on Thursday evening. So this usually happens, during this period. The Jackson Hole Symposium usually happens this period. And what usually leads up to this is very quiet markets. Okay, so like Suyin was just saying, hey, it's a brand new week. Let's look to see if there's any trades. My reply quite quickly was, we're probably going to see quite a quiet market. It's because for the next few days, next couple of days, we're going to see that the markets are probably going to consolidate a little bit. We have seen a lot of movements over the past couple of months. We're probably going to see this week consolidate a bit more as we lead up into Jackson Hole on Friday and on Saturday, as the central bankers come out and speak a little bit about their views of how the market is performing, speak about where they think the economy is heading, and possibly give a hint about the kind of actions they might be taking. Okay, because of that, we're going to see again, that consolidation in the market happening. Any questions so far? If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the chat. I'll just bring up the chat to have a look. Oops, move that one away. All right, good stuff. All right, okay, so if there's any update, okay, what usually happens is, wait, where is it? What usually happens is, as the central banker governor for Bank of Canada starts speaking, or Fed Powell starts speaking, or Governor Bailey here starts speaking during the Jackson Hole Symposium, there will be quick news updates, breaking news updates. So with those breaking news updates, we might not be able to catch it during this period of the currency call. What we'll do is we'll be sharing them in the LCMS Traders Club. All right, so if you're not already a member of LCMS Traders Club, we have a few people here requesting to join. If you're not already a member of the LCMS Traders Club, search us LCMS Traders Club on Facebook and click join. Those of you who have clicked join already, make sure you do the subscription. It's either $49 a month or $199 a year. Okay, at $199 a year is less than $1 a day. Make sure you click join. It's going to be information that you can use to start trading and to start making money. What I mean by that is a lot of you came from the Telegram channel. All right, let me just put that in. A lot of you came from the Telegram channel. We sent out the signals first here on LCMS Traders Club, telling you what to buy, what to sell, at what price to buy and sell, and also giving you that step-by-step reasons behind why you want to buy or sell. Giving you the strategy behind why you want to buy or sell. So you not only make money, you also learn how to trade better, and then guiding you towards whether to close at take profit levels 1, 2, or 3. Right? A lot of times you look at the signals, you don't know whether to set your take profits at 1, 2, or 3. In LCMS Traders Club, we're actually guiding you through that, telling you whether to get at 1, 2, or 3. So the signals are there. It is going to be crucial you get your signals early, right? I had some questions being asked, people asking, you know, how much earlier are signals being sent out in the Traders Club compared to Telegram? We're looking at 5, 10, sometimes even 15 minutes early, so you get the right pricing. Not look at it after that and go, oh wait, price has moved, do I jump into a trade or not? You get it early here first. Tonight, Traders Club members, and make sure that you have that tonight. Oops, I shouldn't show you that link. Okay, but we have a gold expert coming in speaking, telling us how to invest in gold, how to look at whether prices will get to 3,000, what's the easiest way to start, all that tonight only for Traders Club members. Okay, so make sure you join that. And then on Wednesday nights, we have, oops, not that one. On Wednesday nights, we have coaching sessions. There we go. So this was last week. Last week, we had a Q&A which Daniel was running. We also have, you know, engulfing candlestick patterns. We have head and shoulders. Every Wednesday night, we teach you how to trade better. Give you different tools on how to trade better. Okay, so make sure you join that. With that said, let's start looking at the charts. I know you're all getting bored already. Okay, so looking at the charts here, this is the Aussie US on the H4 time frame. Okay, Aussie US on H4 time frame. The last time we spoke about it, I said that it was possibly going to bounce off this break through this resistance level and possibly head upwards. It went up halfway, came back down, broke that support level, and now it's sitting at 7169. Okay, sitting at 7169 right now, with not a lot of news happening in the markets. I do think that we could see it go back up, test this resistance level before possibly coming back down again. So, you know, look for it to go up, test the 7214 level or 7215 level, see whether it's going to reject that, turn back down, and then look to sell. At this point, we could be looking at a 60 pip stop loss or a possible 60 pip take profit, or even 120 pips or 110 pips take profit. Okay, so you're looking at a 1-to-1 or an almost 1-to-2 risk reward ratios here. But patience, okay, it's probably not going to do that. I'm going to be a bit more specific. It's probably going to take a little bit longer. In that kind of scenario, it's probably going to move a bit flatter, slowly upwards, test the 7214 level before turning back down, and then look to sell. One of the things we were just discussing this morning with a couple of the guys here is that, I want you all who are watching to do two things. Okay, if you're attending my currency call, you've been watching for 100 videos already, I want you to do two things. Oops, someone's just drawing on my screen. Stop drawing my screen now. Okay, is to, how do I do that? No, go away. Okay, what I want you to do is to, one, take action. Take action on what I'm telling you on the analysis. Do your own analysis and then take action on what I've been telling you. But two is, when I do things like that, I say it's going to go up, hit this level, possibly turn back down, then sell. Don't go click sell right now. Right? If you click sell right now and it goes up, one, you might not follow that same stop loss. You might have a lot more pain. Okay, at this point, if you click sell here, you're looking at 80 pip stop loss or a possible 50 or even 90 pip take profit. It's a terrible trade. Have that little bit of patience, let it go up, and then, you can put an order there. When it goes up, hits, turns back down, then you start selling. All right, so we want to try and find a good place to enter that trade. Don't jump into the trade right now, because if you do, you're either, well, three things can happen. You make some money, you go through a lot of pain and heartache as it goes up before turning back down, or it will go up, hit your stop loss, and you lose a lot of money. Okay, so I want you to try and find the best positions when I'm telling you situations like that. Go up, hit that resistance level, wait for it to turn back down, then sell. So it's a two-step process before you click on that sell. Make sense so far? I see a few people nodding. Good stuff. I know if you're nodding, you're going to be making money. Okay, so that's the Aussie US. Daniel has a summary there. Fantastic. Well, Daniel, resistance level of not 7250, 7215. So take note that 7215, not 7250. 7250 is a lot higher up there. Yep. Okay, so New Zealand dollar right now. Oh, Sunil raised his hands. I saw someone raise hands. You got a question? Or you just happy? Sunil, you happy or you got a question? Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, no worries. I'll just take. It's not a mistake. I'm just happy. You're just happy. Put up your hands if you're happy. Okay, so New Zealand US dollar. This is the one. This is the one I am super excited about. Okay, super excited about this because it's done. I'll zoom in a little bit so it's easy for you to see. It's done what I expected to happen in Aussie. It came down, it went back up, tested the 6550 level. Looks like it's turning back down. Okay, hasn't happened right now. I would say let it go past 6520. Let it go below 6520. That's a good 10 more pips to go before you start looking to sell. All right, go below 6520 before you start looking to sell. Let me find that line again. Okay, your stop loss could be about 50 pips. Take profit about 70 or 80 pips take profit. So you're still looking at that risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Not that 1 to 2 that we're used to, but you're looking at about 1 to 1.5 so that you can possibly move towards the 6426 level. Okay, it did that the last time we spoke. It broke the 6550 level, came back down about a good 50 pips before going back up to test that resistance again. What I'll be looking for now is to see whether it can go downward this way. And you notice, take note that I'm actually drawing that line quite flat as I could try. Well, I can make it a lot flatter, but about that angle there, because I don't think it's going to drop straight down, right? It's probably going to take some time to move downwards as it breaks, only if it breaks below 6520. Okay, okay. Any questions? 550. All righty. No questions. No questions so far. That's the Aussie and the New Zealand US dollar. That's it. Take it back, Daniel.
Okay, thank you very much, Jin. That's a very good trade idea for both the Aussie, New Zealand, and the New Zealand Aussie US dollar and the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, right now, so I'm going to launch a poll. Let me launch another poll, everyone. I hope everybody fill it up. How do you find this session here today of this webinar? Oh, did I not? Yes, I launched a poll. Yes, great. Okay, so by the way, for those who are new here, a recording of the video will be uploaded. So thank you for joining these sessions today. So tomorrow will be it's a Tuesday. So on a Tuesday, we'll be talking about the euro dollar. So do stay tuned. Come back again tomorrow, same time, and we look forward to see you then. Bye.